Hi, I'm Dr. Deepali Bharadwaj. I'm a dermatologist. Trust me, if you're having dry skin, today we are going to tell you something which is going to be very helpful. Dry skin can lead to dull skin, wrinkles, overall with age we itch, there are marks, and there is a very dull look of the skin. To avoid dry skin, easiest thing is just go and raid your kitchen today. Best diet for dry skin? Have some fish every day, which I love. Salmon. This is going to really help you. Nuts, avocados, milk, and even dairy products. They help also in increasing the testosterone levels of the body, which eventually lead to causing the sebaceous glands, the sweat glands in our skin, to release some oil. It's very important to have higher content in your oil because you really don't want to show your age. In fact, all of us want to look younger. So having a dry skin is the worst thing, and we must try and avoid, because with age it can lead to eczemas, and looking at the stress level and the pollution level, it can lead to different kind of eczemas. Go help yourself today and ensure you do not have a dry skin.